In a world where everything is powered by AI, from smart assistants to personalized recommendations which are making our daily lives much easier than before. Yet, despite these advancements, some people are still wasting hours editing videos the old-fashioned way. But why struggle when there is an AI software available that can help you edit your videos more efficiently? So, are you curious about how an AI can help you create stunning videos effortlessly? In this video, I will talk about a stunning video-making AI software, Jupitrr AI. Whether you are a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves sharing stories, having the right tools can make all the difference. That is where Jupitrr AI comes in. This innovative platform helps you create stunning videos quickly and easily, and makes it a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their video production process. Let's explore Jupitrr AI without any further delay. Jupitrr AI Video Maker is a powerful AI software for content creators looking to streamline their video production process while maintaining high-quality output. With its array of features, you can create engaging videos that captivate your audience effortlessly. You can create videos by uploading your own footage or audio, or by using sample videos provided by the platform. With this AI tool, you can generate engaging content without needing extensive video editing skills. It is designed for everyone, from beginners to experienced creators, and makes video production accessible and fun. Imagine being able to enhance your content creation with just a few clicks. To get started, visit the Jupitrr AI website and sign up for a free account or log in using your Google account. Once logged in, you can create a new video by selecting the Create New option. You have the flexibility to upload your own video or audio files, or you can choose from sample videos available on the platform. One of its standout features is B-roll generation, which allows users to automatically create B-roll footage. By using this, you can easily add relevant visuals to your videos without spending hours searching for the perfect clips. Here's how you do it. After uploading your video or audio content, you can highlight sections of your transcript where you want to add B-roll. Jupitrr AI will suggest appropriate stock footage or images, making it incredibly easy to create visually dynamic content. This single-click functionality not only saves time but also adds a professional touch to your videos. You have the flexibility to customize the font, size, and color to match your style of video, and ensure that your content is not only engaging to your audience but also visually appealing. Another fantastic feature of Jupitrr AI is its ability to seamlessly turn your audio into a video. After uploading your audio file, Jupitrr AI automatically transcribes the content and generates accurate subtitles that align perfectly with the spoken words. You can customize these subtitles by adjusting the font, size, and color to match your video's style. Once the transcription is complete, simply write your video title, click Continue, and Jupitrr AI will process your audio, transforming it into a complete video with the customized subtitles. To further enhance your video, you can incorporate relevant visuals suggested by the AI, ensuring that your content is both informative and visually engaging. This streamlined process allows you to quickly produce polished and professional videos that make Jupitrr AI an essential tool for content creators to elevate their work. After perfecting your edits, your masterpiece is just a single click away from being ready to wow the world. With Jupitrr AI, exporting your video is effortless, giving you the freedom to choose from a wide array of formats. Whether you are looking to stun your followers on social media, showcase your work on a website, or share it across multiple platforms, Jupitrr AI makes it incredibly easy. Your creation is not just saved but also polished for maximum impact and ready to captivate your audience wherever they are. So there is no need for complex software, as Jupitrr AI makes video creation a breeze. Using this AI software, you can significantly simplify the video creation process and make it a go-to tool as a content creator. One of the main benefits is the time-saving aspect. With automated features like B-roll generation and transcription, you can produce videos much faster than with traditional editing methods. Additionally, Jupitrr AI is incredibly accessible. You do not have to be a tech expert to use it. Its easy-to-use features allow anyone to jump in and start creating right away, enabling you to concentrate on your content. Furthermore, By simplifying the technical aspects of video production, Jupitrr AI enhances your creativity. You can experiment with different visuals and styles without feeling overwhelmed. This allows your storytelling or content creation to shine through. In contrast, Jupitrr AI empowers users to create engaging videos efficiently and effectively. Are you ready to upgrade your video creation? Try Jupitrr AI and see how it can change the way you make videos. It is super easy to use and will help you create great content quickly. Whether you are an experienced creator or just starting out, Jupitrr AI will make video production faster and simpler. If you are ready to elevate your video content, click the link in the description to get started with Jupitrr AI today. You would not want to miss out on the opportunity to enhance your videos and engage your audience like never before. If you have any query regarding this software, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.